Day one after releasing my very first music video. I wake up in the morning and say Moda'ani, then I have some tea, then I scratch my Jewish nose, and then I have some fancy tea in a fancy place with a fancy pink mug. I keep checking my messages to make sure I'm answering everybody. Then I have this bilkala. It looks like a bilkala, but I think it's kokish cake. This is something called monkey bread. In Yiddish I would call it malpebrot. It's like babka. The really nice waiter didn't know what babka is. I answer some more messages because I'm so popular. I still have 156 messages. Then I go to the beach because it's finally warm again in Florida, and I try to write a new song, but all I got so far is Bay Samach Dalet. So I just play with my dog by the water and have fun, make her run around me in a circle. In Nugdem, I answer more messages, and I listen to voice notes of people telling me how amazing I am. Then I go to a local open mic and I sing a Yiddish song and everyone loves it. But let's do an English one so everybody can understand. Then I do a Goyish song. Oh, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Oh, Jack, and don't you come back no more. What you say? Then I answer some more messages and now it's time for Schlaf, Schlaf.